Hello, just rooting around the office today. I found this thing. It's years old. The kids had an hippie day on it one day. State of it. It's an XR3. It's actually, I don't know if you'll be able to read it because it's in such a mess. It's a tonka it is. Anyway, I thought what I'd do today, because I'm a bit bored, is rub it all down, spray them up nice. So I've already drilled out the rivets, so it should come apart. There you go. The glass. So I'm just left with this. So I'm going to get on rubbing it down, and see what it looks like then. Right, it's in the middle of being rubbed down. It's starting to look better already. Getting most of that khaki red paint off it. Yellow paint, black paint, whatever. So let's get the rest of it done. Just a little bit more to do. So it won't be long. Let's go and spray bay then. Okay, it's had its first coat, and I'm just waiting for that to dry before I give it some more. Looks better already, doesn't it? Okay, so there she is, painted up. Painted. What we're going to do next is going to give it some lacquer, I think, and then paint the lights in and stuff. I don't really want to touch it to turn it around because it's still wet, but yeah, looking nice. Okay, there we go. She's all done. Well, I say all done, it's not really all done. I have to can't make my mind up whether to paint those wheels or not. Or just leave them like they are. Anyway, looks better, doesn't it? 100% better. Okay, thanks very much for watching my board clip, and I'll catch you again soon.